How to perform 10 magic tricks with eggs. A real egg and a fake hollow egg. Show a real egg, then secretly switch it with the hollow egg. Palm the real egg, and make the hollow one vanish by crushing it in your hand. Salt, water, and an egg. Fill a glass with water and put an egg in it. It will sink. Add salt gradually, and the egg will start to float, as salt increases the water's density. An egg. The trick is to balance an egg on its end. This is easiest on the spring and fall equinoxes but can be done anytime with practice. A hard-boiled egg, a bottle with a slightly smaller mouth, and matches. Light a match, drop it into the bottle, and quickly place the egg over the mouth. The fire consumes oxygen, creating a vacuum that pulls the egg into the bottle. A glass, cardboard, and an egg. Place the egg on the cardboard, balancing it over a glass. With a swift flick, hit the cardboard, the egg will fall into the glass due to inertia. A real egg and sleight of hand. Show an egg, palm it secretly, and pretend to push it through the table, revealing a second egg from beneath. A real egg and confidence. Crack an egg by tossing it in the air and catching it one-handed, or by hitting it on your elbow in one swift motion. A cracked egg and a fake unbroken egg. Crack an egg into a glass. After the trick, secretly swap it with the fake whole egg, making it appear as though the egg restored itself. A real egg. Challenge someone to crush the egg with both hands by squeezing it long ways. Due to its shape, the egg won't crack easily, even under pressure. A fake or hollow egg, and a hidden wire or thread. Suspend the egg using an invisible wire or thread. Slowly lift your hands, creating the illusion that the egg is levitating.